Students, we'll be continuing with the angle of contact for today. Let me clear one point here. See, case number 4, angle of contact हे MCQ ला येईल म्हणून it will not come as an answer, it may come as a multiple choice question. Angle of contact 90 degree. Okay, समजा case number 4, the angle of contact is 90 degree, meaning again same story. Solid, liquid, this is molecule of the liquid in contact with the solid. Let me mark it as A. This is AP, the adhesive force of the solid. AC, cohesive force of the liquid. What is the angle of contact? It is, what is angle of contact here? 90 degree. What about the resultant of, or we'll put it like this. The resultant is around the same direction. What is the angle of contact? It is the angle between the surface of the solid and the liquid. This is the angle of contact here, 90 degree. Okay, this is a hypothetical liquid because angle of contact generally cannot be 90 degree, students. Okay, this is a hypothetical liquid. AP is the adhesive force of the solid, AC is the cohesive force of the liquid, which is generally at 45 degree. Vector AC is generally at 45 degree with the solid surface. It's generally at 45 degree with the resultant AR. This is the resultant AR here. It's generally at 45 degree. Okay. Next, this is only when the angle of contact is 90 degree. Okay. In this case, students, एक point सांगते, if AC or here it is observed that vector AP, that is the adhesive force, is equal to vector AC divided by root 2. Okay, vector AP is equal to vector AC divided by root 2. Okay, one formula here. ही relation आहे. I'll repeat it again. For a hypothetical liquid, if the angle of contact is 90 degree, the cohesive force of the liquid AC is at 45 degree with the solid surface. AP is the adhesive force of the solid. In that case, generally it is observed that the adhesive force AP is AC divided by 2. Okay, one thing, students, this is one here. AP is AC divided by equal to AC divided by root 2. Students, if vector AP is greater than vector AC divided by root 2, then angle of contact is acute. And if vector AP is less than vector AC upon root 2, angle of contact is obtuse. Okay? Yes? When the angle of contact is 90 degree, the cohesive force makes an angle 45 degree with the horizontal. Horizontal is the solid surface with this. AP is AC divided by root 2. If AP is greater than AC divided by root 2, angle of contact is acute. And if AP is less than AC divided by root 2, angle of contact is obtuse. One part. What are the factors affecting the angle of contact? I will repeat this part which I had factors affecting angle of contact. We had discussed this part in the previous period, students. First, it depends on the nature of the solid and liquid in contact. For different combinations of solid and liquid, the angle of contact changes. It depends on added to the liquid, if small amount of impurity is contaminating the liquid, the angle of contact changes drastically. Next, it also depends on the temperature of the liquid or temperature of the surface of the medium above the liquid surface. I repeat, it depends upon the angle of contact, depends on three important factors, that is the nature of the solid and liquid in contact, the temperature above the liquid surface, and the impurity added to the liquid surface. If you add a bit of impurity also, even a dust particle, if it mixes with the liquid, it changes the angle of contact, students. Okay? Now, we will discuss effect of impurity. What is the effect of impurity? First, if the impurity added to the liquid is highly soluble, if the impurity added is highly soluble, effect of impurity on surface tension, students, not on angle of contact. If the impurity added is highly soluble in the liquid, example salt added in water, then angle of contact, or we put it like this, surface tension, I denoted by letter T, it increases. Arrow value. I repeat, बघा हा, factors affecting the angle of contact are nature of the solid and liquid in contact, temperature of the medium above the liquid surface, second factor, and third factor is addition of impurity to the liquid. Next, what is the effect of impurity on surface tension? The first is, if the impurity is of the type, जर तुम्ही अशा पद्धतीने impurity घालता that it is highly soluble in liquid or water, precisely surface tension increases. Example, you add salt in water. Salt or sugar is highly soluble in water. Then surface tension of water increases. Next, if the impurity is of the type which is sparingly soluble, if the impurity is of the type which is sparingly soluble in water, for example, detergent added to water, then surface tension of water decreases. क्यों? Kerosene added to water, surface tension of water decreases, and that is why, students, होता क्या मालूम है? You know, if you just soak clothes in water, then you are unable to remove the dust or the dirt caught in the fabric. Rather, if you add some detergent powder, कुठलीही डिटर्जंट पावडर जगातली कुठलीही वापरा, त्या ब्रँडवर लोक करोडाने कमवतात. स्टुडंट्स, सिंपल इट इज that if you add a bit of detergent to water, when detergent is added, what happens is